Hi, I'm Dr. Delrose from North River Dental. Have you ever had multiple crowns done on one side? Maybe you got a crown done and a couple years later you got to get it redone and it keeps breaking on you. Or do you ever wake up in the morning and your teeth hurt or you have really bad headaches? You may be a grinder, and that's not too unusual. We have a lot of stress in our lives nowadays, and what we can do in the dental office is give you something called a night guard. What a night guard does, it displaces those strong forces, that 250 pounds of chewing force that we have on each tooth throughout the whole body. So if in the middle of the night you're having some sort of paradoxical movement with your jaw, you're grinding or gritting your teeth, it displaces those forces and it saves your teeth. Or let's say your bite is not the most ideal bite in the world, and as you're chewing and eating, you're traumatizing that area. A night guard at night, as you're chewing at night, which we all do, it'll displace those forces and help save those teeth. So what is a night guard? A night guard, all it is a clear piece of plastic that we put over the tops of our teeth when we wear it at night. A lot of them are sold over the counters at local pharmacies. Those are not custom made for you. They have to be custom made for you, because if they're not, as you're grinding at night, if you buy something that is just made for everybody, it can torque your jaw joints. Just think about it. If you're grinding and your teeth get stuck and can't move, that's even worse for your jaws. So we make custom night guards here just for your teeth and your smile. So if you've ever been told that you grind at night, or sometimes a night guard also will help decrease snoring too. I've had many wives who are extremely happy after we do a lot of dentistry on the patient and we want to protect their teeth. We give them a night guard. They say the best thing isn't the beautiful smile we give them, but it's the night guard they wear at night. They're not waking me up with the snoring. So if you have any questions, please talk to your hygienist or one of your dental providers here at North River Dental.